First principles thinking is a way of thinking that involves breaking down complex problems or ideas into their most fundamental, undeniable truths. Instead of relying on analogies, assumptions, or existing conventions, you focus on the basic components and reason up from there. Here's a breakdown of the key elements. Challenging assumptions. It requires you to question widely accepted beliefs and assumptions, even those that seem obvious. Breaking down problems. You break down complex problems into their basic elements or fundamental truths. This process is like deconstructing something to understand its core components. Identifying fundamental truths. You seek out the most basic, undeniable truths about a situation or concept. These are the foundational propositions or assumptions that cannot be deduced any further. Building up from the ground up, you reconstruct your understanding or solution based on these fundamental truths, exploring new possibilities rather than just iterating on existing ideas. Analogous thinking is similar to, this is how it's always been done, so let's improve it slightly. For example, a chef who understands the fundamental ingredients and can invent new dishes. Why is it valuable? Innovation. It encourages creativity and leads to new, innovative solutions. Deeper understanding. It helps to understand complex problems and concepts more deeply. Problem solving. It can be applied to solve difficult problems in various domains. Better decision making. It can lead to more informed and effective decision making. In essence, first principles thinking is a powerful tool for developing true knowledge, unleashing creativity, and building innovative solutions by starting from the most basic, undeniable truths. First principles thinking is a problem-solving approach that involves breaking down complex problems or ideas into their most fundamental, undeniable truths. Instead of relying on analogies, assumptions, or existing conventions, reasoning by analogy, you focus on the basic components and reason up from there. Here's a breakdown. Identify and challenge assumptions. Question everything you think you know about the problem. Don't accept common knowledge or the way things have always been done without scrutiny. Break down the problem. Deconstruct the problem into its smallest, most basic elements or core components. Establish fundamental truths. For each component, determine the most basic, unarguable facts or scientific principles. These are the first principles. Reconstruct from scratch. Using these fundamental truths as your building blocks, develop a new solution or understanding from the ground up. Why it's valuable. Innovation. It can lead to truly novel solutions because you're not constrained by previous ways of doing things. Deeper understanding. It forces a thorough understanding of the subject matter. Effective problem solving. It's particularly useful for complex problems where conventional solutions have failed. Famous proponents of first principles thinking include Aristotle and Elon Musk, who often cite it as a key to innovation at SpaceX and Tesla. Does the Quantum AI ML Science Fair demonstrate first principle thinking? Yes, the Quantum AI ML Science Fair application, as described by its components and functionalities, strongly demonstrates first principle thinking in several key ways. Foundational F0Z/FFZ mathematics and physics. Deconstruction and reconstruction. Instead of solely relying on established mathematical libraries or physics engines, the application introduces F0Z, formula for zero, and FFZ, a more abstract extension, prefixed concepts. This includes stab, functions, bar_stab, F0Z_multiply, F0Z_NAV_Stokes, F0Z_quantum_field_ simulation, etc. This implies a process of breaking down standard operations, like variance, multiplication, physical simulations, to their core and then rebuilding them by incorporating new fundamental principles, the destabilization mechanism via epsilon and other FFC-specific rules. This is a direct parallel to reasoning up from undeniable truths. Challenging assumptions. The FFC category theory, cosmological models, and TQFT sections suggest an attempt to create a new metamathematical or physical language. This inherently challenges existing assumptions and tries to establish new fundamental building blocks for describing complex systems or even reality. For example, FFC's solution to black hole singularities attempts to address a fundamental problem by applying its novel principles. Agent design from core principles. Agents are not just black boxes. Their behavior is defined by agent state, S_I, a flow state optimizer that reasons from inputs like complexity and performance, and an agent iterative workflow. This structured approach builds agent behavior from defined fundamental characteristics and rules within the F0Z framework. System-level design from scratch. Components like the resource monitor, multi-agent coordinator, and dynamic flow state network appear to be custom designed based on the F0Z principles to manage the simulation, rather than using off-the-shelf schedulers or managers without modification. The system's behavior is derived from these foundational rules of interaction and resource management. Experimental labs encouraging deconstruction and innovation. AI/ML Agent Lab. Users design agents by defining their basic parameters, skill, learning aptitude, which is like setting the first principles of an agent's capabilities and then observing how it performs and evolves. Quantum Circuit Lab. Users build quantum circuits from fundamental gates. The FFC-driven parameter concept further suggests that even gate operations could be derived or influenced by deeper, underlying F0Z principles. Crossover Control Lab. Tasking an LLM to generate control signals based on high-level objectives and a selection of F0Z components encourages reasoning from these selected first principles to achieve a goal. Circularity Lab. This lab is explicitly about identifying fundamental feedback loops and self-referential aspects, which is a core part of deconstructing a system to understand its basic operational dynamics. FFCRL Lab. This lab explores how fundamental RL mechanisms, like reward shaping or learning rates, can be modified or enhanced by applying FFC principles, rather than just using standard RL algorithms. Emphasis on understanding core mechanisms. The provision of formulas and the explain feature, using Gemini AI, encourages users to understand the why behind each component, rather than just accepting it. This aligns with the deeper understanding benefit of first principles thinking. The key notation summary also aims to clarify the fundamental symbols and concepts used throughout the system. In essence, the entire application serves as a conceptual model of a universe or a complex system built from the ground up based on the proposed first principles of the F0Z/FFC framework. It's an exploration of what if these were the fundamental rules, and then building out the consequences and observable behaviors. This is precisely the spirit of first principles thinking, to innovate and understand by starting from the most basic, conceptually, undeniable truths of its defined world.